In this video, I'll be putting you through on how to share screen on WhatsApp using an iPhone. When you are on video call with someone on WhatsApp, there may be a page that you need to share with that person on that same your iPhone, on that your iPhone, but you don't know how to do that. Let me quickly walk you through on how you can do that in easy steps, okay? To share WhatsApp screen on iPhone is easy. So the first step you need to take is to open the page you want to share. Here I want to share an Excel spreadsheet file. So I'll tap on Excel. There is a file I created here called YouTube Edit. So I want to share the content to someone that I will be on video call with. So I'll tap on it for it to open. Alright, this displays the information. Now that it has opened, let me get to WhatsApp and start the screen sharing. So I'll get to the home screen, then I will tap on WhatsApp. As WhatsApp opens, tap on the contact. This is the contact I want to share the screen with. Then tap on video call icon. Click on the three dots and select share screen. On selecting share screen, you'll be taken to this page and WhatsApp is selected, so tap on start broadcast. Once start broadcast is selected, your screen is being captured. So get to the home screen, and as we said before, we need to share that Excel file. So get to the Excel file section. I've closed it already, so let me open it again. And this screen is being shared. So the contact I called will be seeing the screen with my explanation on the message I want to pass to him or her. Once you're done with the sharing of the screen, tap on the WhatsApp, okay, and then tap on stop sharing. And the sharing of the screen will end immediately. I believe you find this guide helpful. Please, if it does help, consider subscribing to my channel. Here we discuss technology, which cuts across so many areas, including how to use iPhone, how to use Android, computers, YouTube education, and self-publishing. So if you're interested in any of these content types, please subscribe. We still teach you how to use some software that will make you more productive in life. Okay? Hit the like button, the one that points up like this, so that YouTube will know that this content is helpful. If we don't hit it, there is no how the system will know that this video is a helpful video. So please hit the like button, okay? Leave a comment in the comment section. Let me know how you feel about this video. Does it really help or you need something extra? Please let me hear your say in the comment section. All right? To watch more on how to use WhatsApp to complete more tasks, consider checking on this video. Thank you and see you some other time.